I want to explain just why I'm so interested in Mount Karioi. On the screen here I've got Tasman's chart. This is out of one of the journals, and this is the chart that's drawn by Fisher, his navigator. And here we see his course. So he comes across from Tasmania, across to about Westport, goes up the west coast, comes round Cape Farewell, round Farewell Spit, and down to here. And this is what he calls Murderer's Bay. We know this as Golden Bay. After all the trouble, he flees, and in the night crosses right the way across this bay. And then, come dawn, he realises he's in big trouble. He's surrounded by land on three sides. This is Taranaki. Mount Taranaki's here. This is the coast coming down to Wellington. Wellington's about here. And this is the top of the Marlborough Sounds. He knows he's in big trouble because the wind's coming in this way. And he can't sail upwind very well. And he tries hard to get out of this. He knows he's in big trouble because he knows he's in shallow ground here. He starts tacking straight away to try and get out. And look, he's trying, but he can't. And here they get hit by a big westerly again. And he comes down and he shelters. Shelters here for 3 days. Stays there over Christmas, gets a late Christmas present because on Boxing Day the wind changes and he's able to escape. And he does it straight away, no hesitation. 2 hours before the sun was up, the wind was changed and they were off, weighed anchors and gone. And out he comes, clear into open sea. And then here, on the 27th, they convene the council to work out what to do next. And they decide that they should turn east again to see if this land continues up. And then, on the 28th, they see something. Over here I've got a copy of his journal, and here's his entry for the 28th of December 1642. In the morning at daybreak we made sail again, shaped our course east in order to find out whether the foregoing land, which we had seen in 40 degrees, is still extending further to the north, or rather falls off to the east. At noon we saw east by northwards a high mountain. We at first took it to be an island, but afterwards we saw that it formed the extending coast, and we were about 5 miles away from the coast. We took soundings in 50 fathoms, fine sand with clay. The same high mountain is lying in the southern latitude of 38 degrees. And here, drawn on the map, right there, is a high mountain in the latitude 38 degrees. And that's Mount Karioi. I know that's Mount Karioi because it's in that latitude. Tasman doesn't know much about his longitude, gets it wrong, it's drifting, it's a constant problem. But his latitude he does know. And Mount Karioi, that's why I had to go there. It's one of the few features actually identified on the map that I can go and visit. Damn fine view too.